Cambofoto sent us their 73-inch camera tripod. This is a professional tripod. It is aluminum, it's super lightweight, and I got the awesome orange color, but it also does come in black. The unit folds up into a compact 19.7 inches. Extended height to its fullest is 73.3 inches and is a minimum of 21 inches when extended. It does have a center that can be removed and used as a monopod. The maximum load capacity is 11 pounds. The tilt angle is 160 degrees, 360-degree horizontal rotation angle. The company uses CNC technology to improve the precision of each of its components. The joints are said to last 20% longer than similar products, and they also boast a lifespan of over 50,000 uses. When fully extended, the tripod has an extremely wide stance, which does help with the stability and sturdiness of this tripod, keeping your camera safe even when it's windy. There is a built-in bubble leveler also on this tripod, so even extended to its fullest, which is pretty tall, you'll be able to level up your camera and make sure that you get that shot exactly perfect. While I do love the height and the extreme sturdiness of this tripod, one of my favorite features is actually this quick release. No more spinning your camera round and round to get it attached to the tripod. Simply attach this little accessory provided to your camera and then open the little lever and snap it right in place. The tripod also comes with a cell phone attachment, which is also equipped to possibly hold a small tablet. It also comes with an extra quick release accessory so that you don't have to change out the one that's on your camera. This way you can quickly remove your camera and switch to your cell phone or tablet. In order to use the tablet side of the cell phone mount, you will need to remove the quick release and reposition it so that you can put it on the tripod in the correct position for the iPad. I do not have an iPad with me, so I am showing you with the cell phone essentially what it would look like if you had your tablet in the cell phone mount. I put this tripod to the test in the wind. We were getting around 20-mile-per-hour gusts. I'm out in the middle of an open area by the lake, one of the windiest areas that we had for that day. I extended it all the way out because I wanted to see exactly how sturdy this tripod would be. I was not disappointed. It held up quite well. My camera didn't even move an inch. It all stayed in perfect place. The stance of the tripod kept it nice and sturdy. Which brings me to another feature of the tripod that I really do like, and that is the center hook. Now, I used it basically just to keep my things off the ground, which it works great for that. But that also provides weight for extra stability. The quick release is very convenient to get that camera set up and ready for those amazing shots. With the easy snap releases on the legs, it's so simple and quick to adjust your tripod down lower or up higher, depending where you need it for that perfect snapshot. The quick release feature on the tripod and even the monopod feature a 1/4-inch mounting bolt. That is compatible with any device that has a 1/4-inch screw hole. You could use this with cameras, ring lights, projectors, smartphones, and even telescopes. And I do believe that with the right attachment, you could even use this with a GoPro. You could possibly even use the GoPro with the cell phone attachment. The head allows you to lock vertical angles with a handle and control horizontal rotation with a knob. Compared to other tripods, the head joints are super smooth and stutter-free, making it so easy to turn that camera without losing your angle. While this tripod does seem to be extremely sturdy and well made, things do happen, and that's why I want to tell you that Cambofoto does offer a 2-year after-sales service for this tripod. Within the 2 years, if there are any product quality issues, they will provide free parts or even replace the product. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with this tripod, and I look very forward to using it a lot in the future. No matter what level of videography or photography you are at, I think this tripod would be great for you as well. So I'm going to drop some links in the description below so that you can go over and check out the Cambofoto tripod yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and you know what? We'll see you on the next one.